Hi Jen, I want to make a table chart as a part of my assignment. But I am struggling to create this MS Word. Can you help me to create it in MS Word? Sure Deepa. Actually, you can create the table chart easily in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel? Yes Deepa. This program helps us to create tables and charts. This also helps in calculation and data analysis using formula. It is a part of Microsoft Office package. I will teach you how to use MS Excel program. At the end of the unit, you will be able to describe the components of MS Excel 2007 window. Differentiate the three types of data. Explain how to create and save a new workbook. Describe how to enter the data. Explain how to select a cell range of cells using extend mode, large range of cells, using Goto Command. Explain how to select a complete row, column, and entire worksheet. Let us first see how to start MS Excel. Click each highlighted step button to learn more. Click the Start button in the desktop. Select the All Programs option from the taskbar. Click the Microsoft Office folder in the list. Click the Microsoft Office Excel 2007 option from the list. A blank MS Excel worksheet appears. Now, I will tell you about the different components of the MS Excel 2007 window. Click each highlighted components to learn more about it. MS Office button is present at the upper left corner of the window. This button displays a drop-down list to create a new file, open an existing file, save a file, and many other tasks. Next to the Office button, you will find the Quick Access toolbar. You can add frequently used commands in the Quick Access toolbar. Click the down arrow at the end of the toolbar to enable the frequently used commands. Title displays next to the Quick Access toolbar. It displays the name of the worksheet you are currently using. The ribbon is located above the work area. It helps you to find the commands faster. There are several tabs at the top of the ribbon. There are command groups under each tab. At the bottom right corner of a group, you may find a dialog box launcher. There are vertical and horizontal scroll bars to scroll through the data in its worksheets. It is located at the right and bottom corners of the Excel sheet. The status bar is located at the bottom of the screen that displays status information. At the right side of the status bar, different views like normal layout view, page break, and zoom slider are displayed. Let us now learn about Workbook and Worksheets. Currently opened Excel file is known as Active Workbook. By default, each workbook has 3 worksheets. You can view the worksheets named as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3, at the bottom of the Excel window. By default, the Sheet 1 is open in all the workbook. To access the other worksheet, click on the corresponding tab to open it. You can use the tab scrolling buttons to scroll through the sheet tabs. You can also insert more worksheets in the workbook. Let us now learn how to insert a new worksheet. Click each highlighted step button to learn how to rename the worksheet. Select the worksheet where you want to insert a new worksheet. Right-mouse click on the worksheet, and click the Insert option from the list. The Insert dialog box opens. Select the worksheet icon, and click the OK button. New worksheet is inserted into the workbook. You can also rename the worksheet name. Double-click on the tab, and type a new name, and then press Enter key. MS Excel has built-in rows and columns. In MS Excel 2007, a worksheet has 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Rows are numbered from top to bottom, along the left side of the worksheet. The first row is 1, the second, 2, and so on. Columns are labeled by alphabets from left to right. The first column is A, the second is B, and so on. Cross-section of rows and columns is called a cell. A cell is the smallest unit of a worksheet, in which we actually enter data. We can enter 3 types of data in the cells. They are numbers, texts, and formulae. Each of the cells in a worksheet is identified by their cell address. Columns labels and row numbers are used to locate the cell. The name box displays their address of the selected cell. For example, select a cell in the worksheet. The selected cell is located in C column and 10th row. Therefore, the name box displays their location as C10. The data of the selected cell is displayed in formula bar. This formula bar also displays their formula used in the active cell, which can be used for editing. To find the cell that is active now, you can see that the particular cell is highlighted with the highlighted cell boundary. Let us now learn how to create a new workbook. Click each highlighted step button to learn how to create a new workbook. Click the Office button in the menu. Click the New option from the list. The New Workbook dialog box is displayed. Select the blank workbook button, and click the Create button to open a blank workbook. A new workbook opens 3 worksheets by default. Did you know? We can open up to 255 worksheets in a workbook. Let us now learn how to save a workbook. Click each highlighted step button to learn how to save the workbook. Click the Office button in the menu. Click the Save option to save the workbook. You can also save the file in different location and format. Click the Save As option to save the workbook in different location. The Save As dialog box is displayed. Select the drive and the folder. Type the desired name in the File Name field. Click the Save button. The file is saved in their specified location. On the Quick Access toolbar, you can find a Save icon to save your document. Did you know? By default, you can find a Save icon on their Quick Access toolbar. You can also press Ctrl+S keys to save your presentation. Let us now learn how to enter data in a worksheet. Click each highlighted step button to learn how to enter data. Select the desired cell, type inside the cell, and then press Enter. As you type in the active cell, the same data will be displayed in the formula bar at the same time. You can edit the data in the formula bar by selecting the cell to edit. Press Tab key if you want to move to the adjacent cell. You can use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move up, down, right, and left. When you start typing in a cell, two small buttons appear to the left of the formula bar. They are Cancel and Enter button. The Cancel button is used to cancel or delete the entered data. The Enter button is used to accept the data. To perform some tasks, such as copy and paste, need to be done on a range of cells. A range can be a single cell, or a block of cells, or the union of many rectangular blocks, touching each other, to look like one block. Select the cell, and drag the mouse pointer holding their left mouse button to the desired range. For example, if you want to select the range B4 to D7, place the mouse pointer at cell B4, and drag it to the cell D7. Their range, B4 to D7, is represented as B4, D7. To select the entire column, click the respective alphabet of the column. To select the entire row, click the respective number of the row. Did you know? The shortcut keys To select an entire row is, press Shift plus spacebar. To select an entire column, press Ctrl plus spacebar. To select an entire worksheet, press Ctrl plus A. You can also select multiple ranges of cells in the worksheet. Click each highlighted step button to select multiple ranges of cells. Select the first range of cells, or group of cells. Hold Ctrl and select another range of cells. Keep holding the Control key to select more ranges of cells. Now you have selected multiple ranges of cells in the worksheet. It is possible to select a range of cells using keyboard. Click each highlighted step button to select the range of cells using keyboard. Select the cell from where you want to select the range of cells. Press Shift key and move to the diagonally opposite corner using arrow keys. Release Shift to stop selecting the range of cells. Sometimes, you may find it difficult to drag the mouse through large range of cells. In such cases, use Extend mode to select the range of cells. Click each highlighted step button to select the range of cells using Extend mode. Select the cell from where you want to start the selection. Press F8 function key in the keyboard. The status bar displays that Extend selection mode is enabled. Click on the last cell of the range you want. Press F8 again to turn off Extend selection, or press Escape key. Now you have selected a range of cells using Extend mode. Let us now learn how to select a large range of cells using Goto Command. Click each highlighted step button to learn more about it. Select the desired cell. In the Home tab, click the Find and select drop-down arrow from there, Editing group. Click the Go to option from the list. The Go to dialog box is displayed. In the reference text box, type the cell address of the opposite cell of the range. Hold the Shift key and click the OK button. The range of cell is selected now. You can also select the entire worksheet. Click the Select All button at the junction of the row and column headers. Did you know? The shortcut key to select the entire worksheet is by pressing Ctrl+A. Thank you, Jen. Now I understood the components of MS Excel window. I now know that MS Workbook has 3 worksheets by default. MS Worksheet has 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Formula bar displays the content of the active cell simultaneously. Data can be entered by selecting the cell and typing inside the cell. We can select a range of cells using keyboard, extend mode, and Goto Command. Select a complete row by clicking the row heading, and select the complete column by clicking the column heading. Select the entire worksheet by clicking the blank button at the junction of the row and column headers. You are right, Deepa.
Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.